We have done a series of videos in options, mission options. So that was only a theory, and many people wanted us to show the trades practically. So for them, today I am just coming out with one video where we will be showing how to log in to the broker's account and how to place order, how to buy and sell the shares. And of course, there are cash market, there are futures and options market. But today I am going to show you only the cash market and how to buy the shares, how to see the ledger and how to show the profit loss statements and all those things. We will be coming out with few more videos where we will also be showing you how we trade in derivatives and how we create some option strategies and how we execute those strategies using some basket order and this and that. So now straight away we will go into the broker website. Once you open an account in 5paisa, the link to open an account in 5paisa is given in the description. You can check. You can just go and open online account, and once your demat account is opened, once your trading account is opened, you will get the username and password, and then how just to begin. Okay, I am going to show you. So you just go to 5paisa.com. You can see somewhere on the top right hand side, login. So I am going to log in. Here I have to enter my client code. So my client code is 56787898, and I am going to enter my password. My password is star and my date of birth. I enter my username, password and date of birth. That's it. So logged in. This is a very simple one. Once you click, you go to the dashboard, you will see that my today's P&L is 1,96,000. So wow, that's very good. So I think all my shares are doing very well. And unbooked profit, I think about 3 lakh rupees I'm having a unbooked profit. Now net available margin. My available margin is about 9 lakh rupees. So these are the basic information you get in cash market. And if you want to know what are the shares I'm holding, you have to go to the portfolio. You go to the portfolio. My portfolio value right now is 1,08,53,000. So about 1.1 crore I have. And my portfolio equity 1.09 crore, mutual fund, there's nothing. And if you click on equity, you will know what are the equity shares I have. Bank of Baroda, Edelweiss Bharat Bond, Embassy Park, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Maruti, and all kinds of shares. You can see unbooked profit about 3 lakh something, and today's profit is about 1 lakh plus something. You can see summary, you can see equity. And if you look at the orders and positions and you click positions, you will see the F&O position. I have a lot of F&O positions. My F&O position, I'm sitting with a loss of 1,45,000. Today, I'm not booked anything, and so I'm sitting with a loss. You have been thinking that Mr. Sundar always make profit. That is not true. We also make losses. And you click on holdings, so you will get the shares in the holding. And if you want to pledge the shares for getting trading limit, all you have to do, click pledge for margin, and then you just choose what are the shares you want to pledge. You can just click submit. But of course, I don't have anything free, so all pledged already. So therefore, there will not be anything for pledging. Pledging process is very simple. All you have to do, go for pledge margin, and you will get it. Just click submit request. One OTP will come to your mobile. That's it. Finish. And then if you come to the left side, you want to watch the Nifty 50 stocks. The performance will be shown here. And if you want to see your own stocks, you can see here, or you can create a watch list. So this is a default watch list. You can see some of the shares here. Now what I'm going to do, because I have 9 lakh rupees in my account, I'm going to buy Nifty Beats. So you just move your mouse over here, you just click buy, it will go here. And how many units I want to buy? I want to buy 5,000. Price. What is the price I want to buy? 182 rupees 50 paise. 5,000 shares, 180 rupees, it will be about 8 lakh plus. I think I have only 9 lakh rupees. I just go and buy. Order has been placed successfully. Now you can see the order is here. Order price, but last traded price is here. We have placed pending quantities 1,399. We placed 5,000 quantity. Only 1,399 is pending out of 5,000. So that means about 3,400 quantity has already been traded. Suppose you don't find a stock here, you want to buy some share, but you don't find that stock. What you can do, you can go here. Let us say I want to buy PFC share, Power Finance Corporation. Just type PFC, you can see here, you can go, you click here, you can add to your watch list, or you want to buy, you can just click here. Last traded price is 112.55. You want to buy, how many shares you want to buy, what price, whether you are buying for intraday or whether you are buying for delivery, you just click buy. It is fully executed. So I placed order for buying 5000 Nifty Bs and fully executed. So my buying price is 182.5, but right now it's trading around 182.32 only. Because the market has gone to 18,600. Now it has come and corrected and now trading around 17,000. So I thought, okay, just buy 5,000 Nifty Bs. That's only equivalent to 50 Nifty. And of course, after doing this, I will be selling some call options, and let me see whether I can sell here. So if I want to sell a call option, okay, you are not allowed to place order for this segment. So I think, my futures and options has not been enabled in this account. So you also have to tell the broker to enable futures and options segments. Sometimes they don't enable, but normally I use some other software where I trade all. So therefore, I did not bother. I think they have not enabled my futures and options. You go here, you can see your portfolio, you can find all kinds of reports, and let us say you go to F&O. Okay, I told you I'm sitting with a loss of 1,77,000, and these are the present positions. You go here, booked P&L. So far in this financial, how much profit I booked. You click here, booked P&L, again click F&O, so you will get all the booked P&L. So far I have booked a profit of 47,66,000. You have seen my capital was about 1 crore 9 lakhs, and out of that around 47 lakh has come into the profit only. So probably I have started with 50-60 lakh along with the profit of about 50 lakh. Now my portfolio has grown to 1.1 crore. Again, this is from April 1, 2021. From April to this one. So previous financial year you want to see, you have to go here. You have to go and change the financial year. You change the financial year. Last financial year, I think I have made about 40 lakh profit. And this financial year, it's about 47 lakh. Here you can see your profit for last 3-4 years. And then there is something called reports here. So you go to reports and you can see consolidated profit and loss report, profit loss booked report, tax report, holding statement, ledger statement, and all those things. We may use remote control for television. There are so many buttons in the remote control. There are so many functions, but 99.99% of the time we just use only plus minus volume or plus minus channel. We don't do anything else. The same way, in this broker website, you may have so many functionalities. But what are the basic functionalities you will see? You will go and see what share you want to buy and sell, how to buy and sell. And then you want to see the profit loss statement. I think these are the basic things that we do it. These are the basic things I taught. After you have bought, your shares will be reflected in my stocks, and then you want to sell that. Just now we bought Nifty Bs. You want to sell, you can go and place a sell order. So maybe I want to sell 5,000 shares. We bought at 182. Maybe I just place a sell order at 200 rupees. So I just click sell, order placed successfully. So if the price comes to 200, of course, I don't think that it can come from 182 to 200. Is almost 10% higher. So where Nifty is going to go, 10% higher intraday. But I just put it because, just to show you how to place the order. Mostly we will be simply seeing, we will be buying some shares or selling some shares. And if you look at the dashboard, now it's showing available margin is 7 lakh. How come? Okay. Because I thought it was 9 lakh was showing, so I bought Nifty Bs for around 8 lakh rupees. The available margin should be, because maybe my dealers are trading in my account using a different software. They reduce some of my positions. So that possibility is also there. You will see what is available margin so that you can decide how many shares you want to buy. Here you go create a watch list, and you can buy and sell shares, whatever shares you want, and you can see the profit loss statement. And the rest of the things you can just go and explore. And I also told you, you go to orders, you click the position, all your positions will be reflected here. You bought for 182.5, now it is 182.6, 10 paisa profit. Here, you want to do stock SIP, you can start new SIP also. There's something called basket order, so you can create a basket order. And there are so many other facilities. You can go to holdings and you can click for margin, the shares that you have. Of course, now there are very, very few shares are there. So there are many, many facilities. You can just go and explore yourself. So if there is any comment or anything you want us to highlight again, you can give your comment in the comment section. The next video we will cover. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.